welcome back to another Demolition W video. And I hope this one is good because I recorded one before this, but it didn't work well. Wait, yes. As you read the title, we're gonna have an epic police chase, so we're gonna do that, okay? And yeah, I have changed the wheel. So let's see if I can get out of here. Oh, it's hard to get out if you mess up. Okay, guys, we out. So, we're drifting. Oh yeah, this looks epic. Okay. No big one. Oh, okay, nice. So we're gonna have an epic police chase. But first, we need police, as you know. Oh dear. Oh, right. This is from the legit. This one before I filmed it. It's just please. Oh, I just hit it. Barely. I'm like, why is there no traffic? And I look at this, like, jeez, dude. That's crazy. I don't think anything else. Right, let's just try and steal away from this conflict since all the people. But let's see if we can find another cop. Never mind. Do some civil duties. Here you go. Yes. Clean it out with me, cop. Alright. You get out of the way. Screw it. Okay, there's another big one over here. What is happening? Okay. I hope he's not sideways because I watched before I filmed it. Yeah. Okay, yep. I watched before I filmed it, but it was sideways, so yeah. Now let's actually have an epic police chase. What is this? Is this a cop? Watch it. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh dear, okay. Turn this way. Yes. There you go, okay. And watch this, guys. I'm about to bang into them. Oh god, you can't bang into them, jeez. This is so hard to bang into. Okay. Turn. Dude. This is so fun. I recommend you guys playing this. Oh my goodness, this is calm. Oh yeah! Okay, let's go. Oh dear. Okay. Wait, did everyone get destroyed? I don't know, dude. Oh no, not everyone. Here we go. There's someone right here. I think he's not there. Okay, here we go. We gotta go. Gotta bang him. Oh, okay. Yeah, we banged him. Turn. Okay. No, miss me. Okay. Let's see if we bang him. Is he dead? I feel like I see something now. Okay. Oh, he's not there. Okay, let's go. We gotta take him out on this one. We gotta be racist now. We gotta chase him. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah. Whoa. Why am I screaming? Okay, we're gonna have demolition W with cops. Let's go. Everyone come here. Oh, money. Oh yeah, don't mind if I do. Oh, okay. I hate sticks to the money. Okay, stop, guys, can I like get the money, please? Guys, can I please get the money? Thanks. You know, you don't get the money. Good, I get the money. And I'm definitely gonna be. Here we go. Up, we gotta go up. Good. Good. Jeez. This one's easy to get. Watch. Never mind. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, yeah, we definitely got screwed over this time. Okay, I'm gonna try and collect one. Guys, please let me. Okay, I'm up. Go. Run. Go. Come on, you're a supercar. You should be faster. Ah, okay. Did he like 2.3 make 3.2 inches? Let's go down now. Yeah, we're going even faster. I'm so close. Oh, that looks like it hits. Oh my goodness. Also, I think the cars just respawn. Here we go. Let's see if the cars respawn. No, they did. No, I thought those did. Here we go. Wait, did I lose a tire? No, I didn't lose a tire. Good, I didn't lose a tire. Okay, well, there's something right there, so I would take it. Oh dear. Okay. Jeez. Oh my goodness. That was definitely weird. We're gonna do that again. Come on. Yes, flip. The other 60. Come on. Lag. Hate it. Oh dear. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Up. Oh, you wanna go up? Yeah. Oh dear. Okay. This way. Yeah. I don't know why. Okay. I hope I can hear this one. Yeah, come on. Leave. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So guys, now we're gonna. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Euro truck. It looks like a nice truck. I like it. But guys, I guess this is the end of the episode because it's like 8 minutes now. So bye guys, see ya.